Hello guys, and welcome back to a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I will be showing you how to set up Mailchimp newsletters. Making a newsletter in Mailchimp is not a big deal. It's quite simple as long as you know how to do so. With this video, I'm going to show you quick steps on making a template or basically making a newsletter. First, we need to actually choose the templates. If you do have the premium version, that is an easy to go step. You simply have to go to the library of templates, make sure to go to the purpose of the email and choose newsletter. As you can see, the second option. Here you have every single option or every single template that could work for a newsletter. For me, what I'm gonna do is basically go and check this box, or basically go back and choose a regular template since I'm using a free version. So let's start from scratch. Here, to make a template, it's very easy. You just have to be familiar with these tools that are on the left and have a vision and like inspiration of a newsletter that you want to implicate in here. First, start by removing every block that you have on the Scratch template and design it from scratch. Adding blocks is quite easy, just drag and drop, and making the content is simply copy paste. So you only have to import or drag and drop, change the colors, manage to make dividers between sections so you can make it look more simple and quite attracting. And just like that, you will be making a very good looking newsletter just by doing the scratch. Of course, for the premium guys, you guys have an advantage since you have a template that is quite already made for you, which is a very step ahead from all the free version users. And yeah, that was it for today's video guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you guys a lot for watching and see you guys in the next video.